Welcome to our tutorial about building an executable file. After we write an application, we need to distribute it to the end user. That's what an executable file is. We've got two options to create a debug build file or a release file. The debug build file is bigger. It contains more information. The end user doesn't need all this information, but it happens to be useful for the programmer who's testing his or her application. Here we've got a drop-down menu, Debug, and Release Build. Under the Build menu, we can find the Configuration Manager, where we can set up the active solution configuration, debug, or release. I'm going to select Release. Click Close. Here's my selected configuration, Release. Now select Build and Build Solution. And we're done. We've successfully built a release executable. 0 failed, 0 skipped. Here's the location of our executable file. You can see inside the bin directory we've got two folders, Debug Build and Release Build. I can simply double-click on the executable file to execute the program. Let's close our application. This concludes our tutorial about building an executable file.